Hello students, let's fly high and get A+ for additional mathematics. Let's get started with the class. Today, I would like to discuss the normal to the curve y equal to x squared minus 5x at point P is parallel to the straight line y equal to -1/3x plus 12. The gradient of the straight line is -1/3. Because this is a straight line, from the straight line we can read the gradient, right? The gradient is -1/3. From the straight line, if the gradient is negative, the line will be heading down, isn't it? So the straight line looks like this. So imagine that this is a y equal to -1/3x plus 12. Now I'm going to sketch out the situation in the question. So we have a curve y equal to x squared minus 5x, right? So I'm going to sketch the curve so that you will see the real concept behind this question. As you know, the curve is having the coefficient of the x squared is +1, so it is a U shape, right? So let's sketch out the curve, a U-shaped curve, and the curve having many points. At one of the points, so-called point P, we will draw the normal for that point P. And this normal that you drawn must be parallel to the green line that I just drawn just now. So the red line that I'm sketching now, it is tangent, because tangent always touches the curve at a point. And where is the normal at the point P? Here we are. This is the normal. And this normal is parallel to the green straight line just now, because they are having the same gradient. So we can say that the normal at the point P is also having gradient -1/3. As you know, gradient of the tangent must be 3. Why? Because m1 times m2 should be -1. This is the concept of the perpendicular line. Perpendicular line, two lines are having the gradient, the product of gradient is -1. Right, so the red line is the tangent, and the gradient of the tangent is 3. And from the curve, if we differentiate the curve at point P, we will get the gradient of the tangent to the curve. Remember what I say? dy dx is gradient of tangent to the curve. Tangent. So once I dy dx, I can say the value of the dy dx should be equal to 3, isn't it? At point P. I must state at point P, because dy dx is actually changed according to the point. So dy dx is having value 3, and if I differentiate, I get 2x minus 5. I can make them the same. I can equate them. Dy dx is equal to 3, hence 2x minus 5 equal to 3, hence 2x equal to 8. Then I can find the x. Once I find the x, how am I going to find the y? Because I'm going to find the point. The point must have x and y, so I will substitute into the curve, which is 4 squared minus 5 times 4. So the y is -4. Hence, the point P is 4, -4. That's all my sharing. I really hope that my sharing do help you to understand the concept of the gradient of tangent and normal. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.